Hi guys, this is just a quick tutorial on how I got this eye look. It took me a little bit, but I made it and I think it looks good, so that's good. I'm also using some new products as well, ones that I got recently at Sephora, which would have been in my last video. So if you want to see me put some use into those products, keep watching. So to start off with this look, I'm just going to use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden. Just pop that on my eyelids. Okay, the next step now is to take my Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in Unleashed, and just with a angled brush like this one, I'm just gonna get in on that and just go straight along the lash line. I want to create a liner effect with it. This may take me a minute, I'm not very good at this, but I'll try my best. So, I didn't realize how dry that would be. I have so much fallout over my face right now. I thought it was going to be a bit more liquidy, like paint. I'm not getting a ton of payoff, and I have it all over my face. I don't know if you can actually see it, but there is like purple shimmer, especially all over here. Now I've got some here as well. I'm just going to take some Fix Plus from Mac. And I'm just gonna tip some of the Tarte pigment into the lid of the container, and I'm gonna squirt some Fix Plus in here just to get it more liquidy and like a paste, and just so it stops falling all over my face. I'm just gonna mix it with the brush as well, just so it sort of all comes together. This is just an experiment. We're all learning together here. Automatically feel a difference. I think it's definitely going on better now, and it's not falling all over my face, which is good. So this is a bit of a sparkly mess right now, but we can clean it up with concealer. That is what we're working with for now. I'll clean it up in a moment. I just wanted to go in with the second part of this. You can kind of see before I went in with the Fix Plus, the glitter was like rubbing off here. That's not actually too bad because I wanted to do a second line just along here anyway, so I can kind of trace it. So like this mistake's kind of worked in my favor here, and it's done it here too, so I can sort of trace that. I think that's the line I wanted to follow. I might actually try and do something else. We'll see. This is all an experiment here. Hopefully it ends up okay. Might not from the way it's going so far, but we'll see. Okay, so now I'm going into my grey brown Natasha Denona Chrome Crystal Top Coat, and I'm going to check to see how liquidy it is or how dry it is first. Very similar texture, so this might just be just as bad. Let's see what happens, shall we? Okay, we're going to see how much of this I can fix with my Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, so we're going to do the same. See, I've managed to clean it up okay. I just made the wings a bit straighter. They're not perfectly even, but... So I'm just going to do the same with the Natasha Denona one. I'm going to grab some and pop it in the lid. This time I'm going to squirt the brush with Fix Plus. I'm just taking a very, very small brush right here. It's actually a lip brush, I believe, so let's hope this works. Obviously that's not perfectly straight. I will go back and fix it with concealer. I'm just wondering if I would prefer it a different way. Here, I'm gonna fix this side because I ended up making them join on this side and I like the look of it better. So I'm just gonna go in with more Shape Tape and fix that if I can. So just my Shape Tape and my handy dandy flat shader brush, which is apparently saving my life today. Okay, let's do this again, hopefully one more time and I don't have to erase anything else. Let's see how we do. I'm just going on the back of my hand and I'm mixing it around to make sure it gets on the tip of the brush, because I don't want it to go too much up the side because otherwise I'll put it in and it kind of just rubs everywhere. So I really just want it to kind of be like this sort of line. I'm not sure if you can tell, but yeah, you can sort of see it in this light. It's pretty difficult, but I'm trying. No one can do it like you. It's rough, but it's ready and it will do. For my lower lash line, I'm just going to take a bit of the purple and stamp it along as close as I can get. Okay, so that's that one done. So I'm just going to go back in with more of the Natasha Denona Chroma Crystal Top Coat in Grey Brown, if I didn't say that before, sorry. And just again with Fix Plus spray the brush and dab it on my hand to get it in the right spot. And I'm going to go in to the inner corner and just do this as my inner corner highlight. So that's that part done. Next I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Fineliner in Grape in brackets Vine, just to tightline and waterline. Don't stab yourself in the eye. Pro tip. Okay, that's gonna do. I'm gonna take the Big Tough Girl highlight from the Colourpop Disney Designer collection. It's just a purple colour. I figured it went quite well. And I'm just gonna do my inner corners with this. And for my brow bone, I'm just going to go into the Disney Designer collection in Horse and Carriage. It's just a nice neutral highlight for my brow bone. I might just actually dab some of this as well. Just perfectly in the center of my inner corner. Just to really make it pop. Because I feel like this is like a different look. I want it to like stand out really. And now I am going to curl my lashes and put on my mascara, finally. And there we go. This is the finished look. Oh, I should add finishing spray as well. I'll just chuck some Fix Plus on my face to make sure it stays there. It took me a while to get here, but I like how it looks now. It took me a lot of concealer too, but that's okay. I was just experimenting. This is the first time I've done something so complicated, and I think it paid off quite well. I hope you liked discovering with me how to create this look. It took a lot longer than I expected it to, but I like how it turned out. I thought I'd do something different. I quite like it. It's very unique for me. A lot more complicated than what I'm used to, but it was fun experimenting with these new products as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Look that I wore for my on. It's drying. It's non-retractable. Ooh. I closed it. Dry. Okay.